Hello everyone, this is my first video about scrapping. I've got this huge box of brass and copper that I've got from my uncle. So let's just start off with sorting all the copper out. And at the end I will show how much it all weighs and what I get for it. Okay. So I'm almost done with all of these copper pieces. These are, I think, the two last pieces. So this is all the copper that was already clean from this box. Okay, so I changed the angle a bit. I got a good screw that you can fit good in there, and also had a good piece you can hammer on, so the piece of steel that's in there can go out. Okay, so as you see, it's almost out, and you can just pull it out, and then you have two nice pieces of brass. So just lay that to the side, and we'll do the next one. Going very well because I had it's not in there very good. Okay, so when it's in there, you can just hit it really hard, like. And when it's fully through, you can see you can just pull it out, or you can just put it in here and you have another piece of brass. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna get the rubber out of this. It's pretty easy, and you have a nice good piece of brass. So we're gonna do this with this one too. And another piece of brass. So we're just gonna do that with all of the pieces of brass. And when it's like a bit stuck like this, you can just get your knife and you can cut through it, and it just breaks off really easily like that. This one seems to be already done. And what I also did with this one, if it's stuck and you can't get it out, just get your knife and cut fully through. this, yeah. So you get another clean piece of brass, and you can just cut off the brass. I'll probably get the brass off here. So put that with the copper. My knife actually broke, so I'm gonna grab a new knife. I couldn't find a new knife, so I guess we have to do it with this. Just throw that away. And you have another piece of, it fell on the ground. You have another piece of clean brass. Fully clean too. Okay, that was really it for the video. Next video I'm gonna clean up this big piece. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. So I almost forgot, but let's weigh the copper. So let's put it to 0. And we have almost half a kilo of copper. And grab this piece of brass from the ground. And we accumulated, we got 900 grams of brass, so that's pretty good.